All right. It's Jared here from Crypto Plan, and it's mining charts by Crypto Plan, and we have a breakout happening real time. Well, maybe. Anyway, we're going to have a look at Great Western Mining Corporation. So please like the video if you like this kind of on-the-spot analysis of breakouts and things that are happening on the charts right now. And hopefully we can all make some profit in short-term trades together. Now, Great Western Mining, London listed, but like I say, there's a link in the description for Interactive Brokers, and you can buy pretty much any stock on there from anywhere in the world, I believe. Well, almost any. I won't say always or never. Okay, so we've got our chart here. If we zoom out a little bit, we can see that, it's a long term been in a bear market, a couple of, little bumpy, retrace attempts, but essentially in a downtrend for a while, found a bottom here in 2020, real kind of curvy bottom. So we could say that's very much a bottom. So first little breakout there back in September 2020, good gain, kind of using the 30-week moving average for support, and that would have been your first trade, to kind of enter in the 0.12 of a pence there, and then ride it all the way to the top there of 0.38. And now we've kind of bull flagged or pennant again, and I've been watching this one. I've got a very small position in it. I had it in a long time before I knew about my kind of 30-day moving average breakout strategy. I just knew that this was kind of tightening into a wedge, so I thought I'll put in an early stake. I'll put in an early stake and I won't mind whether it goes up or down. And today it's broken out, so I was kind of 12% back for a while there, but now I'm kind of 5 or 6% up on that trade, which is great. And I think potentially this one will keep running because we're going to look at our indicators here. So if we zoom in on volume, so for the last 4 weeks, increasing volume, which is good. A big price move today, based on sideways price action, but volume increasing, so that's a good thing. The RSI has just kicked up, and the price action is good. Now we definitely want to be kind of sticking to our guns here. If we were just doing this for a quick cash injection trade, 0.29 of a pence or 0.3 of a pence would probably be a good stop limit buy order. Or maybe you pull it down here and go, well, I'll enter, I'll have a stop limit that opens up now if it just kicks above, and then kind of buy anywhere up to, whether it be up to 0.3 or 0.301 or something like that. So you just want to buy in this particular range. You don't want to buy too high. You don't want to have it fire off ahead of you and get a market order that's halfway in no man's land. So buy anywhere from now up to 0.31, and then I would be setting a stop loss back just below these wicks here, which would be somewhere in kind of this range, right? So maybe on those candle bodies there, somewhere around there, the 0.26 of a pence for a stop loss, right? So giving you a kind of little bit of breathing room there for any fluctuations. But I potentially see this thing firing up to this line, whether it be today, tomorrow, next couple of days, maybe kind of tapping back or finding resistance, but hopefully just firing through it and breaking these levels. So the 0.38, 0.4 of a pence. Now my profit taking zone would be up here in the 0.58 of a cent. So we're ideally looking for this trade to bring us something in the realms of, if we're entering here up to there, kind of 100% on a quick move, but if you're a long-term trader and you see that the winds of change are happening and the commodity is the most undervalued thing in the market, knowing that this is a mining company, they're chasing gold, they're chasing minerals, you could definitely kind of do a short-term swing and a long-term position trade at the same time, so just double your position and sell half at this point to cover your expenses, and then kind of ride it all the way to the top, because there is long-term upside on these sort of plays. It's just they're risky long-term because they're exploration developers, so you're looking at thousands of percent if you can hold on and see this thing fully retrace out of its bear market into new all-time highs, but that could take a couple of years. So just be aware that, it's very easy to get 100%, 200% in these kind of micro cap stocks. just the same way it is in crypto, but, you know, holding on and getting the thousands of percent, you got to hold for a year, 2, 3, you know, the same way you've got to hold crypto from the bottom of the bear market, at least 2 years to the end of the bull market to get those thousands of percent, you know, those 20x's, 30x's, 50x's kind of thing. So that's Great Western Mining. That's our little quick update on a breakout in a mining chart. We're above 30-week moving average, increasing volume, positive relative strength. You know, wedge flag pattern is playing out, broker to the upside. So all the signs are there. We probably just need a little bit more confirmation in price action to really know that that stock's going to fly. And yeah, the volume defined resistance is the same deal there, kind of showing that it really drops off over 0.351. So once we're breaking well above 0.4 of a pence, we're going to see some quick moves to the upside, hopefully. You know, maybe even up to the 1 pence and beyond. But, you know, initial profit taking or, you know, covering costs would be 0.6 of a pence. I've been Jared. This has been Mining Charts by Crypto Plan. And please like the video if you like this content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.